I was escaping a terrible drug addiction that had ruined my life, not to mention my health, my friends, and my family. Now I had my biggest notary day ever, and it's only been 2 weeks. My name is Nicholas Herman, and I am from Denver, Colorado. I moved to Denver back in November of 2023, and I was escaping a terrible drug addiction that had financially and ruined my life, not to mention my health, my friends, and my family. And I got sick of doing the same thing I was doing. So I left Austin, Texas for Denver with $200 in my pocket. I worked Uber Eats and got a job at Amazon, but I knew that I needed something else to put my mind to. I'm just sick of working for employers, and also something that could help me in my recovery. How did the loan signing system help solve that? So the loan signing system first instilled a level of confidence in myself that I hadn't experienced in a very long time. It literally breaks down every single thing you need to do. Like, you don't need to do anything else but watch the videos, connect with the community, ask questions. Like, everything is there. What has changed in my life? Everything. I no longer have to work for Amazon. I'm completely on my own. I created a website that I'm able to generate leads from the stuff that Mark told me to do on my website. Now I had my biggest notary day ever, and it's only been 2 weeks. So I'm focusing a lot of my energy on notary work, but I'm also doing a lot of loan signings as well. And I've completed my first loan signing, and I'm also on the schedule for another one. And now that I'm no longer at Amazon, I'll have plenty of time to accept every single loan signing that comes my way. If someone is on the fence about the loan signing system course, what would I tell them? If you don't believe in yourself right now, let Mark and the community believe in you until you can believe in yourself. Because this is an opportunity to enter into an industry that's not going to dry out, first off. And not only that, but you're going to learn so much about yourself, about your peers. You're going to be able to help your community, and also be in a place where you're financially independent. And is it going to take a lot of work? Yes, sometimes. I had to go to work and wake up at 6 so I could work my side hustles to make enough money so I could eat, right? But it's all worth it in the end, because at the end of the day, you're gonna feel so proud of yourself that you built something, and you were able to do that from the advice of Mark Wills, his community, and his course. So just do it. Do it! I believe in you.